Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to set price alert on the Skyscanner app. All right, so first up, just go ahead and open Skyscanner. Now, once you're in here, try to book a flight right here. Okay, for example, this one. Tap on find. Now I'm going to go ahead and find a flight right here, for example, maybe Cebu. Tap on it and wait for it to load. Now, once it loads, go ahead and find a flight partner, for example, Philippine Air Asia right here. I'm going to tap on it. Once done, go ahead and tap on the heart icon right here at the top right. Just tap on it. Now tap on allow. Tap on view if you want to. Now, as you can see here, price alerts are available. You can just go ahead and easily turn this on by tapping on the slider and turn it off by tapping on it once more and selecting turn off. All right. Or keep me updated. And that's basically how you do it. You can just easily find your notifications right here at the top when you swipe down and check if Skyscanner is one of them, specifically for price alerts. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.